Wow. A wheel.
A big wheel.
A big wheeled excavator. Wow.
Digging a hole in the road construction. Mine, they're digging up the old stuff.
Oh.
That's like a dump truck.
Where did you guys get these wheeled excavators from? Look at that. Wow. Who made them? Wow. You made that? What do we say to Grandpa Bill? Thank you. I think he put a lot of time into that. Look how, I bet you it must have taken him so long to make that. You know what? Because he gave him the great idea about how wonderful wheeled excavators are. Isn't that amazing? Take one little idea and he made it into a real fun toy.
Yeah, the excavator's filling up that dump truck. No, my dad is.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Hey, Duppy. Whoa! Duppy, the dump truck. Whoa!
Uh-oh. We can fix that. I think we got some new dump trucks for Christmas today. Everything's okay. Are you guys thankful? Did we have a nice Christmas?